Welcome back, my dear future stars of Max and my viewers and my subscribers. Now, I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Please watch this video without skipping any part. Today, let's start our new exercise 2.3. In this, the first question is, which of the following sets are equal? As you can see, there are three sets given. Okay, these sets are in set builder form. Now we have to first convert them to roster form and then find whether all these three sets are equal or not. So what do you mean by equal? Do you know, students? That is, each and every element present in the sets should be same, and the number of elements also should be same. That is, number of elements must be same and the elements itself should also be same. Okay, so in general, the sign which we use for equal to, same applies here. Okay, LHS, RHS, if both are equal, we'll write equal to in between. Similarly, here also, if we have two sets, the name of the set may be different, but the elements in it, if they are same, then they are called as equal sets. So first we will solve this sum. What is the set A? Now the first set is A equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow. So here what is the word given? Follow. So we have to write it in which set? The roster form. It is given in set builder form. So when we write, what we have to write? We have to write all these letters separately. Okay, so first word in it is F, first alphabet. Then next alphabet is O. Then next alphabet is L. The next is L. If we have same letter two times, then no need of writing here. Okay, we have to write only one time. Then the next letter is O. We already wrote O, so we no need to write again O here. Okay, the next last one is W. Now we have to check whether it is in alphabetical order or not. So it's not in alphabetical order. So let's write it in alphabetical order. So first F, then we have L, then O, then W. Okay. Now the next set is B equal to X such that X is a letter in the word flow. So here we have to write it separately. First letter is F, then L, then O, then W. Now check whether it is in alphabetical order or not. It is in alphabetical order, so we have to stop here. Now next we will see the third set. The third set is X such that X is a letter in the word wolf. So we will again write it separately. W, the next letter O, then L, then F. Now we will write it in alphabetical order. So first letter will be F, then L, then O, then W. Okay, so now what is the question? It is whether check whether the following are equal or not. So first we will check the number of elements in each set. Okay, so in set A, how many elements are there? 4. Then in B set 4. Then in C set 4. So all are same. Now we will check whether all the elements are same or not. So first letter here is F. Here is F. Here also we have F. Then the second letter L. Here also L. Here also L. Then the next O. Here also O and here also we have O. Then the fourth letter is W. Here also we have W. Here also we have W. So all the sets are equal. Okay, so now what we can write? We can conclude that A equal to B equal to C. So all the sets are equal. All sets are equal. Okay, is it clear, students? Now we'll move to the next sum. Second question is, consider the following sets and fill up the blanks with equal to or not equal to so as to make the statements true. So few sets are given first, a few are in roster form and few are in set builder form. Then few dashes are given. We have to write equal to or not equal to in those dashes. So first let's convert the sets B and F in roster form. Okay. B set is the first three natural numbers. So what are natural numbers, students? The numbers that start from 1. Okay. So the numbers that start from 1. That means 1. The next number will be 2. Then 3. Only 3 natural numbers is given. So we wrote the 3 natural numbers here. Okay. Now what is the set F? Set of vowels in English alphabet. So what are vowels? Do you all know? If you don't know, remember it. Okay. There are 5 vowels in English alphabets. What are they? A, E, I, O and U. These are called as vowels. Okay. Remember this. The remaining alphabets are known as consonants. You all remember these two things. Okay. This will also be used in sets. Now what we have to do? We have to check whether the given sets are equal or not. Okay. Here it is given A and here B. So what is in A? How many elements are there? 3. In B, how many are there? 3. Are the elements same? Here we have 1, here also 1. The next element is 2, we have 2 here also. The next element is 3, here also we have 3. So what sign we will get here? Equal to sign. The both sets are equal. Is it clear? Now we will move to the next bit, A and E. Here in A we have 3 elements and in E we have 5 elements. So number of elements is only not equal. So no need of checking the elements what they are. Okay, since here we have 3, here we have 5, we can conclude that these both sets are not equal. Next, C and D. What is in C? How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In D, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of elements is same. Now we will check the elements. Here we have A. In this also we have A. So I am ticking here. Okay. Next element is B. Here do we have B? Yes. Then next element is C. Here do we have C? Yes. Here the last element is D. So here also we have D. So both the sets are equal. C and D are equal. Okay, is it clear? Here no need of writing every time in alphabetical order. To understand it clearly, in the previous sum we wrote in alphabetical order. Okay. The next sum is D and F. We have to compare D and F. In D, how many elements are there? 4. In F, how many we got? 5. So number of elements itself is not equal. So these two sets will be not equal. Then F and A. In A we have 3 elements. In F we have 5. So these both also will not be equal. Then D and E. In D, how many elements we have? 4. In E, how many we are having? 5. So number of elements itself is not equal. So we can write not equal here also. F and B. In F, how many are there? 5. In B, only 3. So again these both will not be equal. Okay. Is it clear, students? Here one bit I want to add here. If the question would be E and F, then what we will get? In E, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In F, 5. Now we will check the elements. Here we have A, here also we have A. Here E, here also we have E. The next element is I, here also we have I. O, O, U, U. Number of elements are same and the elements are also same. So what we'll get here? Equal to. Okay. Now we'll move to next sum. Next sum is again in each of the following state whether A equal to B or not. Same sums are given again here. Okay, few are given in set builder form. First we'll change that to roster form. Okay. So here in the third bit, the roster form, we have to change here the set builder form into roster form. What is the question? B, x such that x is a positive integer and x less than 10. What does it mean? Positive means the numbers which are having plus in front of it. Okay. So here all these elements are positive. As you can see, here we don't have a negative sign. That means these all elements are positive. No need of writing plus every time for these numbers. Okay. So the in positive integers, what we have to write? X less than 10. So the numbers which are less than 10, we have to write that. Okay. So what are those numbers? Can we write? B equal to all the positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We should not write 10 because x is less than 10. This sign is for less than. So below 10, all the elements we have to write. Okay. If here equal to would be given, then we should write 10 here. But here no equal to is given. Less than 10 is given. So till 9 only we have to write. Now here in this fourth bit, what do we have? A equal to x says that x is a multiple of 10. That means what will be the answer for this? The 10 table. Okay. The multiples of 10. That means 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. So this is an infinite set. Okay. When we write like this, that means it is infinite. That is the last element is not known. We can write many more here. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to check whether these two sets in each bit are equal or not. So the in first set, what do we have? A equal to ABCD and B equal to DCAB. So how many elements are there? 4. And the elements are also same. As you can see here we have A, here also A, B, B, C, C, D, D. So A is equal to B. Now the next sets are A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. Here we have 4 elements. Here also 4 elements. Now we will check the elements. Here we have 4. Do we have 4 here? Yes. Then the next element is 8. Here also we have 8. Next element is 12. Do we have 12 here? No. So here only we can conclude that A is not equal to B. Okay. Is it clear, students? Now the next one is A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B equal to, it was given in set builder form. We have changed that to roster form here. So how many elements are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here how many do we have? 9. So what we can conclude? A is not equal to B. So since number of elements are not equal, we can say that these two sets are not equal. Now the next bit, the last one is A equal to, what is the set here? Infinite set. And B also infinite. So now we will check the elements whether they are same or not. Here we have 10. Here also we have 10. Next 20. We have 20 here. 30. We have 30 here. 40. We will have 40 here also. But in this set few elements are extra. That is, here we have 15. But we don't have here 15. Do we have? No. So what we can say? These all the multiples like 15, 25, 35, they are not present in the set A. So now we can conclude that A is not equal to B. Okay, clear students? Here the fourth question is, state the reason for the following. Here the left side the sets are in roster form, whereas on the right side the sets are in set builder form. So first we need to them to roster form and then see whether the equations given are correct or not. Okay, x says that x belongs to n and x greater than 1 and less than 10. What does it mean? The natural numbers. Which natural numbers? X is greater than 1. So we should not write 1. Okay, the next number will be 2. Then 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it should be less than 10. It is mentioned here. So we should not write 10 here. Okay. Now the next sum is set is x such that x equal to 2n plus 1 and x belongs to n. Here what does it mean? That is, we have to substitute the value of x as natural numbers. So natural numbers starts from 1. So here we have to write n. We have to substitute natural numbers here 1, 2, 3 and find the value of x here. Okay. So from 1 we will start and see. So 2n plus 1 is given. X equal to 2n plus 1. So when we substitute 1 here, what do we get? 2 into 1 plus 1. In place of n we are writing 1 here. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. What do we get? 3. Okay, so here the first element will be 3. Then the next one, here we suppose n equal to 1. Now what we'll do, we'll see n equal to 2. What do we get? X equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So next element is 5 here. Then n equal to 3. So what do we get the value of x? 2 into 3 plus 1. Where, here we were having n. So in place of n we are substituting 3 here. Okay. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So next element is 7. So whatever element is there, we are getting what? 2 extra. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 2 11 and so on. Okay, this is an infinite set because x belongs to natural number is given here. Okay, so now we will move on to the next one. X is a multiple of 15. So what we have to write here? That multiples of 15, that is the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45 and so on. So this is also an infinite set. Here x is a prime number. So we have to write prime numbers here. So the prime numbers start from 2. You should remember here 1 is neither a prime nor composite number. Okay. So prime means we have to start from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, 13 and so on. Okay, now what we have to check whether the statements are correct or wrong. Okay, here we have it set finite set. Since last element is given, we can conclude that it is a finite set. Here it is also a finite set. So now we will see the elements, they are same or not. Here we have 1. Do we have 1 here? No. So what we can say? These two sets are not equal. It is given not equal only. So it is true. Then the second bit is this one. Okay. In this, the first set is finite. Whereas the second set is infinite. So these two sets will not be equal. So this statement is also true. Then here it is finite set. Here again we are getting infinite set. So we can conclude that it is also not equal. Here finite, here infinite. So again not equal. So all the statements given are true. Okay. Now the last sum is remaining. That means that we have to find the subsets. We'll do this sum in our next coming video. Okay.